Umanyete nonya kokotoroserie chiro abo yarenge buyoto egento gento nako igamero mugaso toganyerete chiro
last year mpaka lero tianya kwaya. What is happening?
Your Excellency, maybe if you get back to you once they consolidate the matters together.
Therefore, you don't know where the market is?
No, I know the market, Your Excellency, but if you don't believe it, sorry to tell you, I don't know.
And you are on loudspeaker. No, speak loud.
Yes, some of them, they were awarded, without my knowledge, and I was only told that they were instructions from your office, Your Excellency.
Despite the fact that they were awarded. Let me pick the phone for your CEC. Cyrus.
Yeah, Your Excellency.
No matter paraine.
Paraine, any matter?
No, only on loudspeaker.
Yes, I'm on right speaker.
Insane, no?
Yes.
Echire enkyo tanya kwenye kolera.
Echire you the contractor said now the military worker is another facility at the worker.
Igotumwa echibe situ kurume buko aro selina liara tareme.
No, what we did, he had another facility which we paid him. He should be on the ground right now. We paid him another facility that he was doing Maso.
Oh, you go no ale ground bona yona tokwa na paraine. No ale paraine.
Yeah, no ale ground ya say.
Boy guys nagendra. Cyrus. Where are you? Kora kuruororo, ochiche mpaka paraine. Abantu komerorro obabugoli obalete getenge esinde onyi ngoroki gasegendret onde enterene contract yere paraine sasa